In the previous video, I mentioned about these Timothy customs. I used to make a lot, and I found here some of these that were in a process, and I never finished them. So I used to put the red marks on the faces. I don't know why, but kids love it, the creepy looking, and I had to do what they wanted. So yeah, like I said before, I kept moving on and making videos, and I left these models behind unfinished. And anyways, all right, thank you guys for the comments on the previous video. Thank you very much. I learned a little bit more again. Thank you for the comments, and let's begin. So today we have another box. I empty another box here, another box of a lot of Thomas customs. And like I mentioned before, I always get the parts from the good ones. Back in the days there were no spare parts that I could find, so I used to buy them as a lot or bulk and end up with a lot of parts. So I'm trying to sort these models out now. Look at this broken Thomas toy. Wow, good for a video of broken Thomas toys. Here's another one, and look at that. This is not detachable face. This is the way this I think this one was from 1999 Tomy Thomas, I think. Let me know in the comments, because I'm pretty sure it's single piece. There is not a face that you can remove like this one. This one does have a screw on the back. This one doesn't. Okay, let me know in the comments about this one, because I don't know what was this set of. It does come like this. I have another one, another Plarail like here. This I don't think belongs to that, but it does have the same kind of attachment. And anyway, so these were the Timothy Ghost Engines models on a CGI version. I didn't like it, and I left this unfinished. There they are the tops or shells. And I found more steam alone parts. I used to get the steam alone for fix other models. Here is a moving eyes, full back Thomas. Yes, I found a lot of parts here. I used to remove the rubber tires. Since back in the days I couldn't fix the battery terminals. Some of those were with corroded. Now I can replace them with spring battery terminals. Some of these are good actually. Look, that one's very clean. I need to check on this. Yeah, and I'm putting this on different boxes so I can find them very easily. And I used to mention that these I get them in lots, and I use the only good ones, and then I throw in the box the lots, those that are not so good. This was part of remote control Thomas. It's in good condition actually. I have a lot of remotes. And another James with faceless James. I mentioned in the previous video I used to get this for the face. I use it for custom Crovan, just the face. Since this Trackmaster 2 nobody was interested, you could make only $5 out of this. Back in the days, I don't know how much they cost right now. I'm talking about used. But nobody cared about this. Most people like the old models, not the new ones, old models. So this one definitely was worth nothing, and you pay only fees for eBay and blah blah blah. Not good. So it's like those Thomas, the new Thomas, the all engines go. There is, if you see some sellers putting for sale, that they're not even selling those models. We found a Harold with chewed, somebody chewed these blades. Oh, let me tell you, I found something interesting. Maybe it's interesting, maybe not. Paper Face Thomas, ERTL. I think it's ERTL. Yes, ERTL. Paper face Thomas is all beat up, but there it is. This is how they were before, paper face. This brand ERTL or ERTL, I don't know. Anyway, so I found another. I think someone say Lego Duplo. Is it Lego Duplo? Correct me if I'm wrong. Or Mega Blocks. Yes, this is Emily. I don't know which was this. I think it was Lego Duplo. Correct me in the comments, please. I found this Thomas. I'm finding a lot of parts. A wooden Thomas over there. And a lot of cards. There are a lot of cards. I found here some remote control for Geotracks. I remember I have a lot of Geotracks playing around somewhere. I'm finding a lot of little carts, wagons, whatever you call it, and still need to sort these models. Here's another one, good one. Trackmaster 1 or Mattel or Hitoi Company cards. I'm working on it. There is a Chuggington. Nobody, I mean, I hear that a lot of people hate the Chuggington. So we used to put them just in boxes, these models, and this is what I'm doing lately. You know, every day I'm trying to sort a lot of these models. Oh, look at this broken toy. Ooh, I'm gonna make a lot of videos with these broken Thomas toys. Specific broken Thomas toys. This one is for Tolkien James, I think. This one right here. Hold on. Yep, it's for Tolkien James. I'm gonna find a lot of parts here. So let me know in the comments, guys, about this one. I don't know. Let me see. This is Chuggington. I don't know what this thing is. There's a lot of junk around here. Finding good parts. I hope I can finish this in a month. I have a lot of boxes I'm still sorting out. Let me show you a little bit over here, over there. It's everywhere, but I'm still working on it, guys. So sorry if I'm not uploading custom models at the moment, but I need to make sure I have organized what's this, garage